Hello, welcome back to How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. And if you are just starting with this video, please go back and make sure you go all the way back to video 1 and then hit 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 to get updated. So what have we been talking about? How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. And here's what we have covered so far. The first video goes over the overview. And in the overview, we talk a lot about this very simple yet effective affiliate marketing funnel, and where we send traffic, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic, to an email opt-in page. And so we've been spending a lot of time talking about how to make email opt-in pages, because that is the kind of focus of where all of our traffic goes. So we showed a few different ways how to do that. If we jump back over here, so first video overview, next video how to choose a niche, and then how to find offers to promote in that niche. And then we spent 4 different videos about how to create an opt-in page. I showed 4 different ways that you could do that. First method, just by doing it in your email autoresponder. I only recommend using Aweber or GetResponse. Method number 2, if you have a domain and hosting, then you can use WordPress and the Elementor plugin, which gives you a ton of flexibility to make it as custom as you want. Method 3, which is probably the easiest as well as the most cost effective, is using the HBA funnel builder, because it is a true drag and drop. You don't need domain, you don't need hosting. It's probably good to have your own domain, but the hosting is covered, and they have a really, really good affiliate program where you can make 80% commissions if people start. Now you're using these services yourself, right? You're going to use Aweber or GetResponse. They have really good affiliate programs, so you're probably going to promote whichever autoresponder you're using. And same thing with HBA Funnel Builder. It has a really strong affiliate commission program, and so you probably want to promote it if you're using it. And lastly, we showed you how to create an email, well, not even create, but use the done for you email opt-in pages in List Infinity. Downside, you don't really have any flexibility, but they really have some very nice done for you pages, and it's just a one-time payment to get started with them. So those videos talked about that, and now today what we're going to talk about in this video is how to create your email affiliate sales funnel. Really what we're talking about in this video is going to the connecting this part, okay? Having an upsell offer. So after somebody gives their email on the opt-in page, you'd like to ideally send them to a lot of times what gets called maybe a tripwire offer. This is sorry, I can't really write well with the mouse, but this is typically a low cost offer. Usually you want to make it tripwire. There you go. Maybe $7 or less, and then you can send them, if you want, as an option to a higher priced affiliate offer. But this tripwire offer is important because this is where you can make a little bit of money back. And also, then you can segment your list, because if people don't go for this, then they're just maybe they just like free things. But if they happen to purchase, then you have a buyer on your list, and that's really what you'd like to have. And if you're selling, if you're sending paid traffic to your opt-in page, then this is a way again to recoup some of that cost. So today we're going to show you how to get that upsell in place. Now, ideally, you would maybe want to have your own upsell offer or your own product that you could use as an upsell offer. But if you don't, I'm going to show you how you can use other people's sales pages to set up a nice little funnel here, upsell funnel, where you can have an upsell number 1 and then upsell number 2 as a way to try to, again, make some money back either through a low cost tripwire offer or maybe even a higher cost offer that they see as they go through. Okay, so where are we going to find other people's offers to promote? So if you remember, we've been talking about working in the make money online niche, and so I'd go to one of the affiliate platforms, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank. So for this video, we're going to go into the ClickBank marketplace, and this is where we can find videos. Now, the easiest way to do this is if you just scroll down, and on the left side here, you can see e-business and e-marketing. That's essentially the make money online space. So we click on that, and it's going to pull up ClickBank's working a little slow here. There we go. It's going to pull up offers, and then you can sort these by either rank, average money per commission, initial money per commission, recurring or billing, or gravity. Okay, usually searching by rank. Rank means typically the most popular. Gravity meaning the number of affiliates that have made sales in the past 2 weeks. And so you can see some have a super high gravity score. Usually a good converting offer should ideally have a gravity score typically in the, say, 20 to 50 range or better, okay? If you go after these really high gravity products like this, almost 300, 172, 110, there's so much competition, right? Because this means there's been almost 300 affiliates that have made sales of this product in the past 2 weeks. So sometimes high gravity is not such a great thing. So what I like to do, so like this is actually a really good, let me close this out. This is actually a good product, Click Wealth System. If we click on that, it'll open up the page. Basically, it's just a short little video. And so this can actually be a nice product to use for your tripwire. Okay, so in ClickBank, you just click on Promote. There's your nickname. Let's create the hop link. I'm going to copy that. We're going to put that over here. This is the Click Wealth product, so let's put my hop link there. Okay. Now let's go back and let's find another product, and maybe we want it to be a little higher converting, a little higher gravity, but certainly I think would like to be a little higher price. Well, actually, you know what? There's a really good product. I think it's on this next page here called Empire. Let me find that. This one, free traffic, flood your system, good gravity, 26. It converts well. The nice thing, though, it's a really good product that converts well, and they have a $1 trial, okay, and then $37 a month. So $1, to go ahead and get started, give it a try, and then it does have a recurring. So let's go ahead and grab, and you can see the average commission or average payout per conversion is $483. So it's definitely high paying. So let's go ahead and create that link, copy that, and bring that over here. That product, I think, is called Empire, actually. And so we're going to use these two products and create an upsell. And so let's go back. So how are we going to get people from here to here? So we're going to create a simple 2 upsell funnel. This is upsell 1, upsell 2. Upsell 1 is going to be Click Wealth System. Upsell 2 is Empire. So I use a program that works really, really slick called Commission Bar. And when you go into Commission Bar, you can create very simple funnels. So let's go ahead and do that. First, you need to put in your offers, and then we're going to create the funnel. So we just go to offers. Let me slide over again so you can see everything. Let me get out of my way here. We're going to add a new offer. I'm just going to call this test, and this link is going to be for the Click Wealth product. And then we just go down and we put in the hop link, our affiliate link for that right here. And then we just click save. Okay. And then we go back to offers over here. We're going to add another offer. Again, we'll call it test. So we know they're the same. And then the second was for Empire. We go down here and we're going to put in our affiliate link for Empire. And we put that right there. And then we're going to save that. And now we have our 2 offers in. Now we can create our funnel. And so we go to funnel. We click add new. We're going to call this again test. I like to use the same term so that I know. And then we're going to call this a make money online funnel. And then you do have to have a final page that it goes to. And so this could be another, why don't we go ahead and find another product, okay? This one actually works well. Let's see, you have to be approved for that one. Let's see what this one looks like. Recession-proof profits. Time running out, $37. Okay, maybe that'd be a nice one to add. So let's go ahead and get our hop link there. Let's copy that. We're going to call this recession proof profits. Put that there. And then we're going to go back into commission bar. We're going to say, hey, that's our final URL. So we want people to end up. And then let's just save this funnel. And then what we're going to do is come down after we've saved the funnel. We're going to choose the products we want to put in here. Okay, as you can see, I got lots of them. So we said the first one was going to be test click wealth. We're going to add another one. We said the second one was going to be, let me scroll to the bottom. The second one is going to be Empire, right there. Now, what I usually do is I like this verbiage, no thanks, this offer is not for me. I copy that down here, and then I put click here and click here so they know what to do. And what commission bar, what this software is doing, I just like to change these to green, these bars to green. And then let's save this funnel one more time. So what commission bar is doing is it's iframing these sales pages. Okay, so here's click wealth system, Empire, recession proof profit. So as long as they're able to iframe them, which we're going to find out in a second, then it'll create this funnel for us. Okay, so let's go back here. We've created this, and here it is. This is our link for our upsells. Okay, and so this is our upsell offer link right here. Now, where do we put this link? Well, we go back into our autoresponder. Here we are in Aweber. This is the simple opt-in page that we created in Aweber. And so we go to step 2. And so after they enter their email, what do we want them to see? Right now, they're just going to see the basic thank you page that Aweber provides. But we want a custom page. We want to send them to these upsell offers that we just created. And so we're going to put that in as our thank you page. And if they've already subscribed, we still want them to see that. So we're going to put that down there as well. Now we're going to save this, go to step 3, use my page as a, so let's go ahead and open this up in a new tab. And let me paste that in, and you're going to see the opt-in page, right? Very simple. We created this. Let me just put in an email. And when they click yes, send me my free report, it's going to take them to Click Wealth System, right? And then down here, and so, they may watch this, and if they purchase, then you earn a commission from ClickBank for this Click Wealth System product. Or they might say, no thanks, this offer is not for me, click here. So they click there, go ahead and leave, and it should take them to the next upsell offer, Empire. And so they maybe watch this, they read through the sales page, maybe they decide, I'll give it $1, why not give it a try? Then you'll earn a commission. Or they'll say, nah, this is not for me, click here, and it should take, yes, there it is, recession-proof profits, the last one. And they say, wow, I'm going to save, $60 today. Instead of $97, I'm paying $37, let me buy it. And so, boom, then you save that, okay? And then that's the end of the funnel. And so, if we go back, we actually have 3 products that we put into our upsell offer. We have that little tripwire Click Wealth System, which I think is a $7 product. We went with a recurring product as our second, Empire, which is a $1 trial, and then I think it's $37 a month. Yeah, then $37 a month. And then we added actually a third product to and so you could really have ongoing upsells up here if you want, okay? And no matter how you made your opt-in page, whether you made it in your autoresponder, like in the example here, or if you made it using Elementor, when you created your opt-in form, you're going to, again, do the same thing we did here. You're going to add your upsell offer funnel to here, to these 2 boxes. And that way, whether you made your opt-in page in your autoresponder, whether you made it in WordPress using Elementor, or whether you made it in the HBA Funnel Builder, it doesn't matter, because whatever you put, the link that you put in these 2 boxes is where you're going to send people. Now, I use, again, this commission bar software to make multiple upsell offers where I can use other people's products. And that's a very powerful way to get a sale, right? Because, they may look at this and be like, I don't want this. And so they click through and it takes them to this one. Oh, this one looks interesting. And then, it takes them to this one. And so you can show them 2, 3, 4 different offers that they'll see if you create this, use commission bar to iframe those sales pages and make multiple offers that they get linked together that way. Because otherwise, you don't have a way to link these sales pages together, right? They're not your pages, so you can't do that. And so you unfortunately don't really have any way to do it. Now, what you can do if you want, you can just have one upsell offer. And so instead, I made 3 upsells that people could see using commission bar. You could just have one. And so instead of this, you might just go and say, I just want to send them to ClickWealth. And so you take your affiliate link for ClickWealth and you put that here and you put that here. Okay, and then you hit save. And now, once they enter their email, they're only going to be taken to ClickWealth, and that's it. Okay. Now, a lot of times you hear, oh, they should see a thank you page. They should see, something else. And that is another method that you can use where you, especially if you have WordPress, where you can, again, make a thank you page. And on that thank you page, you could actually have several links where you are directing people, right? So on the link, you could say, hey, thank you for opt-in, check your inbox for your email. And then you could have, hey, check out this special offer to make whatever, that could link to your ClickWealth system. You could have a second link, $1 trial, $1 2-week trial, don't miss this, and that links to Empire. And then you could have a third, with a headline linking here. So you can do it that way as well. And again, you could do that by making a thank you page in HBA Funnel Builder that does that same thing. But really, to be honest, this is the easiest way, is by just having your link, either a direct link here or using Commission Bar to create multiple upsells where you can have an opportunity to earn some commissions. So that is how you create that affiliate funnel. Again, when I say affiliate sales funnel, really what I should say is how to create your upsells in upsell offers in the affiliate sales funnel. And I said there's 3 ways, because there is, one way is to use Commission Bar to create multiple upsells, put that link in here. The other is just to send them directly to a page. But if you're, again, using WordPress and Elementor, you can make a custom thank you page with links to offers. And you can do the same thing with HBA Funnel Builders. You can make a thank you page with multiple links to different offers as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. Certainly, reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And if you're new, please subscribe. I forgot to mention that earlier, trying to grow my channel. I appreciate the help. And give it a thumbs up if you like the video also. Thanks so much.